Now we are going to see evolution of life forms. What are the different things when we observe the evolution of life form? Let us see what are these things. The very first concept is that life evolved as such as it is since the starting of life on the planet Earth. One concept is said that, while the second concept which is just told regarding is that the diversity which we can see right now, the same diversity was there in the past and same diversity will exist in the future. There will be no change and there was no change. So it was same, it is same, and it will same in future only. While the third that connotation or third idea is that our earth is 4,000 years old. That is the estimated age of our planet earth. Now next thing is that how do the concept regarding the evolution of a species, how do the concept regarding the formation of so many diversity has just came into existence, relationship between the fossil and their present day descendants, all these things were there. So regarding that major you can say work of Charles Darwin is just considered. What is that work? Let us see that what happened there. Charles Darwin, who was on sea voyage means journey on sea, over his ship. The name of ship was HMS Beagle. I have written it there. Then what has happened there, when he was traveling through his HMS Beagle ship in a sea voyage, he has just observed certain things. What are these things? Let us see. He has observed that organisms share similarity. He has observed that those organisms which has existed in past and those organisms which are there in future, that right now, they all share certain similarities. Like we can see we are that our ancestor was ape. So हमारे पास what features we have like ape? So we have that fingers, a bit body design. Even though they had that they didn't had this much of advanced body design, but they had that. So that relationship came into existence by the work of Charles Darwin. Next is that in that after observing all those things, ki ancestors had this feature while their descendants, their present day generation has this feature, led him to just give one concept, and that concept was that only that species survived on the earth which was fit to survive in the changing circumstances. Like we can say the human being has evolved there. Why we have evolved? We have evolved because we had the ability to just regulate our body temperature and survive in different climatic conditions. So it was that. Next, that he has also given the concept of natural selection. In the concept of natural selection, the idea was that nature selects those who are fit, and those who just survive in the changes which are occurring in the nature, they are going to just make their species run for a prolonged duration. So that is the true concept on which survival of a species, existence of a species, or diversity or evolution of a species is based on, and that is the fitness of that particular species as well as natural selection. Over the same idea was just given by scientist Alfred Wallace, who worked on Malay Archipelago. He has given the same concept that any species that is surviving, that is due to its fitness, and also the role of natural selection is also there in just making the species to survive in that particular